The van trip rolls on to our third stop, Sun Valley and Ketchum, Idaho. We're staying at the Wood River Campground outside of Ketchum, Sun Valley, Idaho. And pretty much every campsite here connects to the Wood River Trail, which is what I'm walking on now. And there's little hiking trails and tons of mountain biking right off of the trail. So it's a pretty great campground, and it's only $14 a night and about 10 minutes from downtown Ketchum, which is amazing. And it's a great place to be. It's getting ready to close down for the season. I think September 15th they just started to close like the water and this loop of the park, and at September 30th the whole campground will be closed. So we got here just in time. So it is the Wood River Trail, but it connects to the Harriman Trail, which goes all the way into downtown. We're Kristen, Jameson, and Maddie. We live in our motorhome full-time, and we vacation in our camper van. We're excited to take you with us. Fall foliage was in full effect, and we immediately got to exploring the area surrounding our campsite. There were tons of hiking trails right from our campsite, and Maddie and I opted for a short, steep hike to the Bear Cave. The plaque reads, "The only thing permanent is change." If you had been in this place 10 or 20,000 years ago, you probably would have been swimming for your life. At that time, the Big Wood River had not yet sliced its way down through the layers of rock to its present level, and was flowing where you now stand. Large volumes of water from melting glaciers in the Boulder and Smoky Mountains swelled the river to many times its present size. As the water surged against this rocky bluff, it gradually carved this amphitheater-like cave out of the easily dissolved limestone. This bridge is dedicated to Dick Murphy, an avid cross-country skier and hiker killed in a plane crash in 1985. The community remembers him fondly for his enjoyment of outdoor pursuits and his special love of cross-country skiing. It's Taco Tuesday, and we picked up some local tortillas from town, and they carry the namesake of this campground. It was colder than we expected for mid-September, and we were fortunate to find a developed campground where fires were allowed. We cozied up around the fire ring every night.